Hello, hydrangeas. I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to tell you what you're going to be doing in your group today. We've just had a chance to finish chapters 9 through 10, and I feel like we learned a lot about Captain Jaggery. We learned a lot about Charlotte, but I especially think that we've learned a lot about Captain Jaggery. It's almost as if like a whole new side of him appeared. Therefore, even though we have already done an indirect characterization chart about Captain Jaggery, I'd like you to do a new one based on what we know from chapters 9 through 10, okay? Uh, in order to be able to kind of paint a better picture of what he's like. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill this out. Reminder, you're going to do examples quoting from, you're going to quote examples directly from the text. How to write what page you got it from, okay? And then I want you to explain over here what this shows to you about his character. So for example, I wrote over here, after Charlotte told Captain Jaggery in his room that that there was a stowaway, he said, "Why the devil did you not tell me before?" On page 81. And I would say from here we can see that he has a temper and is impatient. He no longer, I think, acted irrationally by expecting a 13-year-old girl to provide him all of the information needed. I also think in a way it shows that he's unrealistic, he's demanding. Now once you're going to do the steel chart, we're probably going to meet together as a group. I want to tell you what the next step is. The next step is that you're going to, now you get to see my notes, is you're going to be filling out an app for a formal paragraph. And basically the topic of your formal paragraph is pretty much going to be describe Captain Jaggery's personality. So that's kind of going to be like your topic. So it may almost be that first of all, your tag is going to be in historical fiction novel, True Confessions by Charlotte Doyle, a girl named Charlotte is on a boat. Then your thesis could be something like, it's clear that Captain Jaggery, and then you may want to choose the two character traits over here. So let's say the first character trait that you're going to choose over here, just based on what we discussed, would be impatient. And then the second one would be, I don't know, mean. Okay? You would then over here find two proofs from your steel chart that show that he's impatient, and two proofs from your steel chart that shows that he's mean. And therefore, that's why in your thesis, you would write, it is clear that Captain Jaggery is both impatient and mean. And then you would then explain proof 1 and proof 2 for impatient and for mean. I'll clearly explain this more in class, but if you want to kind of like be able to get started, this way how you can know. This is Mrs. Kurtz signing off.